This is Pavan Kumar D, Assistant Professor of Mathematics, Department of Mathematics, SRR Government Arts and Science College, Karimnagar, Telangana, India. Yeah, now the topic is differential equations. The differential equations. First, we have to see what is differential equation. What are the main classes of differential equations? A differential equation is an equation involving independent and dependent variables and the derivatives or differentials of one or more dependent variable with respect to independent variable is called a differential equation. Here the examples of differential equations are dy by dx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Here next one is dou cube v by dou t cube is equal to k into dou square v by dou x square whole square. Yeah, this is one form, this is another form. Here there are two main classes of ordinary differential equations. Here that are ordinary differential equations, partial differential equation. Ordinary differential equation, a differential equation which contains derivatives with respect to single independent variable is known as ordinary differential equation. That is, dy by dx is equal to x plus y, d square y by dx square minus 4y is equal to 0. Here in this two example, x is the independent variable, y is the dependent variable. Here the only one independent variable, that is x. Now coming to the partial differential equation. A differential equation which contains two or more independent variables and partial derivatives with respect to them is called partial differential equation. That is, dou u by dou x plus dou u by dou y is equal to 2. Dou square u by dou x square plus dou square u by dou x dou y equal to 4. Here in these two example, x and y are independent variable, u is the dependent variable. Here more than one independent variable is there, we say that this is a partial differential equation. Here ordinary differential equation is denoted by d, partial differential equations is denoted by dou. We are writing with respect to dou. Here order of a differential equation. The degree is the differential equation is the degree of highest order derivative present in the equation after differential equation has made free from radicals and fractions as far as the derivatives are concerned. Here find the order and degree of dy by dx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Here dy by dx is equal to sin x plus cos x. Here order is 1. Its power also 1. Here order is 1, degree is also 1. Find the order and degree of 1 plus dy by dx whole square whole to the power of 3 by 2 is equal to k square d square y by dx square whole square. Here the given differential equation can be written as this form. Here squaring on both sides, we are getting this form. Here in this differential equation, highest order is d square y by dx square and its power is 4. Therefore order is 2, degree is 4. The formation of a differential equation. Here find the differential equation of family of curves y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x, where c1 and c2 are arbitrary constants. Here y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x. Here differentiate on both sides with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to c1 2 e power 2x plus c2 minus 2 e power minus 2x. Here again differentiate it. D square y by dx square is equal to c1 into 2 e power 2x minus 2c2 minus 2 e power minus 2x. Here in these two terms 4 is the common. Here this value is equal to this value c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power minus 2x is y. Therefore d square y by dx square is equal to 4y. Here this is the required differential equation of the family of curves with the arbitrary constants c1 and c2. Here in this problem arbitrary constant, two arbitrary constants are there, we are getting the second order differential. Three arbitrary constants are there, we are getting the third order differential equation. Depending upon the arbitrary constants, we are getting the order of the differential equation. Here in this problem, find the differential equation of the family of the curves y is equal to c of x minus c whole square, where c is the arbitrary constant. The y is equal to c of x minus c whole square. Derivative with respect to x on both sides, the dy by dx is equal to 2c x minus c whole square. Squaring on both sides, we are getting the d square y by dx square 4c square x minus c whole square. We are dividing this two, we are getting this one. Here we are getting c is equal to 1 by 4y dy by dx whole to the power of minus 2. Here this value substitute in the equation 1, we are getting this differential equation. Here this differential equation is the order is 1. Here because here we have only one arbitrary constant. Here differential equation of first order and first degree. Here the equation of the differential equation of first order first degree are different forms are there. Here that is dy by dx is equal to f of x comma y, dy by dx plus py is equal to q of x is a linear equation, m dx plus n dy, where m and n are the functions of x comma y. Here these are the forms of a differential equation of first order and first degree. In that one, we have to find the solution of this differential equation of first order and first degree. The first method is we have to choose the variable and separable method. Here equation in which variables are separated. If the differential equation m dx plus n dy, where m and n are the functions of x and y, are constant, can be put in the form f1 of x dx plus f2 of y dy equal to 0. Here we have to separate it x variable and y variable and integrating on both sides with respect both sides, we are getting this form. Here that is integration of f1 of x dx plus integration of f2 of y dy is equal to c. Here this integration, we are getting the solution of the first order first degree differential equations. The variables are separated. Here we have to see the one application. Solve the 1 minus x dy plus 1 minus y dx is equal to 0. The differential equation can be written in the form of 1 by 1 minus y dy plus 1 by 1 minus x dx is equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, integration 1 by 1 minus y dy plus 1 by 1 minus x dx is equal to c. Minus log 1 minus y minus log 1 minus x is equal to, the c is the constant, minus log c. Here log a plus log b is equal to log ab. We have to apply this formula. We are getting the log 1 minus y 1 minus x is equal to log c. Here 1 minus y of 1 minus x is equal to c. both side log cancel. Here this is the solution of this given differential equation. Yeah, e power y plus 1 cos x dx plus e power y sin x dy is equal to 0. We have to separate x and y variables. That is, differential equation goes to in this form, that is cos x by sin x dx plus e power y by e power y plus 1 dy equal to 0. Integrating on both sides, we are getting integration. Yeah, this one, we are e power y plus 1. This is f dash of x by f of x. Here integration of f dash of x by f of x dx is log f of x. Yeah, that is log sin x plus log e power y plus 1 plus log c. Here log of sin x e power y plus 1 equal to log c. Here sin x e power y plus 1 equal to c. Yeah, next problem application. Xy square plus x dx plus yx square plus y dy equal to 0. We are in this one, we have to in these two terms x is the common, in this term y is the common. We have to keep it common and separate it x and y variables, that goes to in the form of x by x square plus 1 dx plus y by y square plus 1 dy equal to 0. Here in this one, we have to integrating on both sides. With both side we are getting 1, multiplying and divided by 2, we are getting this one. This is 1 by 2 of integration of this one is log of 1 plus x square plus log of 1 plus y square equal to log c. Here 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square plus 1 plus y square, 1 by 2 log of 1 plus x square of 1 plus y square is equal to log c. Here we are getting 1 plus x square 1 plus y square equal to 2c. Y is equal to c1x plus 2. Here only one arbitrary constant is there, that is differentiating on both sides with respect to x, dy by dx is equal to y dash is equal to y minus 2 by x. Xy dash is equal to y minus 2. Here y is equal to c1 plus c2 e power x. Y is equal to c1 plus c2 e power x. Differentiating on both sides, y1 is equal to y. Y is equal to e power x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Y is equal to e power x c1 cos x plus c2 sin x. Differentiating on both sides, we have to apply UV method. Y dash equal to e power x of c1 cos x plus c2 sin x plus e power x minus c1 sin x plus c2 cos x. Again differentiating on both sides, here we are getting y double dash is equal to this one. We have to simplify it. We are getting the y double dash is equal to 2y dash minus y dash minus y. Here we are getting the final result is y double dash minus 2y dash plus 2y equal to 0. Here dy by dx is equal to sin x plus y plus cos x plus y. Here in the place of x plus y, you have to substitute y. Again differentiating on both sides with respect to x, 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. Here dy by dx is equal to dy by dx minus 1. Substitute in the equation 1, we are getting dy by dx minus 1 equal to sin v plus cos v. dy by dx is equal to sin v plus cos v plus 1. Here in the place of sin v, we have to substitute trigonometric formula 2 sin v by 2 cos v by 2. Cos v plus 1 is equal to 2 cos square v by 2. Here 2 cos square v by 2 common, sin v by 2 plus divided by cos v by 2 plus 1. Here we are getting the final dy by dx is equal to 2 cos square v by 2 of 1 plus tan v by 2. Here we have to separating the variable separable, v variable and x variable. 2 cos square v by 2 of 1 plus tan square v by 2 dy equal to dx. Integrating on both sides, we are getting the 1 by 2 log 1 plus tan square v by 2 is equal to x plus c. Yeah, this is, in the place of v you have to substitute x plus y. The final result is 1 by 2 log of 1 plus tan square x plus y by 2 is equal to x plus c. X plus y whole square dy by dx is equal to a square. X plus y whole square dy by dx is equal to a square. Here we are taking the x plus y is equal to v. 1 plus dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. dy by dx is equal to dy by dx minus 1. Substitute in equation 1, v square of dy by dx minus 1 is equal to a square. Here dy by dx minus 1 is equal to a square by v square. Here dy by dx is equal to a square by v square plus 1. Here dy by dx is equal to v square plus a square by v square. v square by v square plus a square dv is equal to dx. Integrating on both sides, we are getting this result, and simplifying it, we are getting the result of v minus a tan inverse x by a is equal to x plus c, and substitute x plus y in the place of v, we are getting y minus a tan inverse x by a is equal to c. Here this is in this session we discussed the what is differential equation, what is the number of classes of differential equations, order and degree of the differential equation. Here we are finding the solutions of first order differential equations by using method of separation of variables. Here next section we discuss the homogeneous differential equations and non-homogeneous differential equations.